From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, Happy Valley. I'm student meteorologist Laura Shedd with another edition of the Penn State Campus Weather Service web forecast. To start, taking a live look over at Beaver Stadium, those clouds really have been moving in as the morning has progressed. We're actually under mostly cloudy skies right now, but currently 16 degrees. The winds have gone calm for once, so it is still currently feeling like 16. So feeling cold, but certainly a big difference than we've been experiencing with those negative 20 wind chills that we were seeing yesterday. Temperatures across much of the state really dealing with a lot of the similar situation. 16 in State College. Du Bois is actually our cold spot at 14, but Philadelphia, you are already up to 25 degrees for your day today. And while most of you are saying it's probably still pretty cold out there, which is certainly true, those temperatures really have been on the increase. Much of the state seeing temperatures that have been increasing compared to where we were at this time 24 hours ago. State College, we're seeing an increase of 9 degrees. Johnstown already up to 17 degrees warmer than it was at this time yesterday. And so really for much of the state, we are seeing those upper single digits to lower double digits dealing with temperature change, which is going to be the big story for the next few days, which we'll get to in just a moment. Current radar and satellite, not too much to really talk about right now. A couple of high cirrus clouds, which we are seeing here in State College. Few lake effect snow showers have been coming in across Erie for the morning, but those really have been dissipating off as those temperatures have been increasing. Now, as I mentioned, the big story that we are talking about is another system that is moving in for your day on Wednesday. We'll start though with taking a look at what your Tuesday night commute home is looking like. Temperatures really for much of the state in the upper teens to low 20s. However, across much of the western part, we are dealing with temperatures that are ever so slightly warmer than we are seeing for much of the rest of the state, which will lead into a good chance for rain and not really too much of a mixed potential for this part of the region, which we can tell when we get to early Wednesday morning that rain starts to move in across northwestern tier, progressing through the rest of the morning. Though those temperatures really across the western part of the state is going to leave much of that region within the rain sector itself. However, for the central and northern parts of Pennsylvania, please do be careful as you're heading out the door for your Wednesday morning, as temperatures could be sitting right below freezing, leading to a chance for mixing as well as freezing rain potential. So those roads are going to be slippery, especially if they have not been pre-treated. And even if they have been, do be aware that icing on the roads and sidewalks is very likely. But thankfully, as we head through the rest of the day, those temperatures really do start to increase. Rain starts to mix in instead because those temperatures rise above freezing. A few couple of pockets of that freezing rain still possible, especially across higher elevation, where temperatures typically are going to be much colder. But as we continue to progress through the rest of this forecast model, as your commute home and into late Wednesday night, a couple of breaks in the rain are possible. Temperatures are really sitting in the 40s, which is a pretty significant difference from what we've been experiencing the past few days. But as we keep this forecast model going, your day early Thursday morning, especially across the eastern parts of the state, temperatures reasonably warm, however, still a lot of rain. But as you can kind of tell, temperatures across much of the western part of the state really are decreasing down because that cold front will start to push through, really bringing back some of the colder air for the end of the week. As we continue on, though, through the rest of the morning, this system does start to move off. Colder temperatures start to coming back into place, though thankfully not as cold as we've been experiencing the past few days. So how does this all summarize up for the next few days here in State College? Today, again, another cold day, but that sun really will be in abundance. 23 degrees with southerly winds from 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, though, is really where things start to get interesting and start to change. Could see those cloudy conditions to start your evening, but that wintry mix will move in into the overnight hours, especially as temperatures will be below freezing across State College and across much of the central part of the state overnight. As we head into your day tomorrow, again, that AM wintry mix, but as those temperatures warm, we are expecting that PM rain with the southerly wind component still staying. So how does this all summarize up into your 7-day forecast? As we head into the rest of the week, those temperatures, especially on Thursday and as we head into Friday, really do start to decrease. 15-degree difference from Thursday into Friday. Clouds start to build in and kind of stay reasonably between mostly cloudy and partly sunny as we head into much of the weekend. But as we head into the latter half of the weekend, a couple of snow showers are possible for your day on Sunday, but those temperatures really will start to be on the increase as we head into early next week.